Will you follow certain things if I tell you that these are the things, if you follow at home, will keep you away from dental ailments for most of the time until unless it's an emergency? Hi, Dr. Sonal here from eDentophasia again. eDentophasia is a space where we discuss about preventive oral health and dental health. And this is yet another episode where I'm trying to tell you oral health resolutions which can keep your teeth and oral cavity healthy for the coming year until unless there is an emergency involved. If you follow these habits and do not miss them at any point in the year, you will be having a good, healthy oral cavity and a healthy set of teeth as well. Sounds amazing? Let's dive into the video. And please watch it till the end because I have a little surprise for you. The first oral health resolution I want you to make is to drink extra water. You have to drink extra water. It will not only be good for your general health, but for your oral health as well. Whenever you drink water, it acts as a natural flush to your oral cavity, and any or every food particle which is there tends to go inside along with the sip of water. Also, if you have had any drink which was acidic in nature, the water when you drink it also tries to bring the pH back to its normal level. So keep drinking a lot of water for 2021. Next thing which I want to tell you is, do not forget under any circumstance to brush your teeth at night. Oral cavity is a direct entry point to our body. Anything which we eat from outside goes directly inside the oral cavity. And we use it all day to eat different kinds of food, to speak, to drink water, and all sorts of things. Do you think that oral cavity deserves to be cleaned at night? When you go outside and you come back, you wash your hands, you wash your feet, you change your clothes, you tuck yourself in the bed in your night clothes. Do you think your oral cavity also deserves a little bit of tender love and care from your end? What you'll be doing is, you will be removing any extra amount of carbohydrate or food particle which is there in your mouth, so that even at night when the flow of saliva is a little less, your mouth is clean and bacteria are not finding any food particle to nibble on and form cavities. Also, the fluoride in the toothpaste will make sure that when you're sleeping and the little bit of fluoride is there in the saliva, the teeth will try and absorb it and it will try to become more stronger for you. The next thing which I'm going to tell you is something which you should avoid. Do not use toothpicks in 2021. Try and not use toothpicks. If at all you have to use something and there's something stuck in your teeth, if it's something like a green leafy vegetable or a piece of meat or a shred of something, use a floss or a floss pick. Do not use toothpick. Another thing which I want to tell you is, whenever your brush gets frayed, please change your toothbrush. A frayed brush will not only harm your gums, but can also lead to irregular cleaning of your teeth, and the whole purpose of brushing your teeth comes back to zero. Another thing which I want you to do is, please clean your tongue every day, every single day. The amount of food particles and bacteria which are there on the tongue, if you come to know it in real statistics, you will be shocked. If you are having cavities, if you have problem of bad breath, if your tongue looks white, anything and everything can be related to food particles in the tongue. Every day, make it a point to clean your tongue. Do not miss a single day without cleaning your tongue. I'm sure if you follow these 5 things, you will be able to take care of your oral cavity. These are 5 simple hacks, but you have to do them regularly, consistently. Do not forget a single day. Brush your teeth, clean your tongue, brush your teeth at night. If you have frayed toothbrush, throw it away. Drink a lot of water. Do not use toothpicks. And lastly, a bonus is, change your toothbrush every 3 months, or if you have any viral or bacterial ailment. Let's start from the 1st of January. Let's start with a new toothbrush. I'll remind you after 3 months that you have to change your toothbrush. I hope you find this video helpful. As an e-dentist of yours, I have this responsibility to help you keep your oral health and dental health proper from your homes. Please listen to your e-dentist and follow these things for a year's time and see the results for your own. I'm sure if you continuously do them for even 3 months, you will see good results. You will start feeling healthy in your mouth. Your mouth will thank you for it. There's another video I'm going to make in which you'll understand that oral cavity is the mirror of your body. This is what we say. Any disease can be seen through oral findings. So do not take your oral cavity for granted. Treat it with all the love and respect it needs and it deserves, because it is something which keeps you nourished. You can eat food because you have healthy teeth, you have healthy oral cavity, you have tongue to take it back, you have teeth to chew. And the small surprise which I have for you is I have made a printable PDF for you in which you can print, and it would be a month's chart. So I'm giving you a 30 days printable document which you could print, and you could tick all these activities when you do it daily. So print it out and paste it somewhere where you see it every day, and whenever you do these things, just tick. And it's like a positive reinforcement that what you're doing, it's a small thing which, you know, to keep a tab till the time it becomes a part of you, this habit. So download that and use it for your good oral health. And if there's any suggestion, if you want to see any other videos regarding oral health, please come back to me and let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy. I love your DMs, I love your comments, and wishing you all a very, very happy and a prosperous new year, and I'll see you all in 2021. Till then, lots of love. Please like the video if you like this content, share it with your friends and family, and help them have this oral and dental resolutions in 2021, and subscribe to the channel to keep your teeth and oral cavity always healthy. And this is me signing off for 2020, and see you on the side of 2021. Bye, take care.